Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Shubhangi Agarwal, and
Welcome.
thank you, ma'am. Okay. So, as you guys know, today we are going to discuss on coordination exercises. Great. Okay. So, I would like you all to answer one question of mine. What do you all see before crossing a road? Like, whenever you cross a road, what do you see? How do you cross a road?
Whether the
The
signal
way
is
you
the signal is green.
Okay.
Look to the
Then,
right and left, and then we
right
cross.
and left, right
Always
left
on
yes,
the left and right
for
side.
the vehicles
traffic.
not coming in. Okay. So, as you all said, signal time we see vehicles, we also see road condition, road कैसा है, हम कितना जल्दी क्रॉस कर पाएंगे, नहीं कर पाएंगे. अभी आपके हाथ में कभी-कभी ग्रोसरीज होती है, कभी आप आपके ग्रैंड चाइल्ड को लेके क्रॉस कर रहे हैं. सो दिस इज व्हाट एग्जैक्टली कोऑर्डिनेशन इज. जो आपने इतने सारे बॉडी पार्ट्स, व्हेन यू यूज सो मेनी बॉडी पार्ट्स ऑफ योर्स टुगेदर, योर आईज, ईयर्स, हैंड्स, लेग्स, विथ योर ब्रेन in an organized and efficient way is called as coordination. Okay. So, how many of you have had a fall or have heard in your neighborhood or community or among your friends who are senior citizens that they had a fall? Anyone?
We fall in the while coming from the bathroom to the outside just because the wet floor.
Yeah.
Always afraid of this, and once I fall
Yeah.
there, I've got the fracture in my feet also.
Oh, okay. Okay. Sorry to hear that, ma'am. Okay. Anyone else? So now these all friends of yours, they are all senior citizens, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, ओके.
Yes.
सो दिस इज वेरी हमने कभी ये चीज बहुत ज्यादा एक 30 ईयर ओल्ड या 40 ईयर ओल्ड में नहीं सुनी होगी ज्यादा, किसी ने भी, या आपने भी कभी एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया होगा कि
Mm.
एक 30 ईयर ओल्ड या 40 ईयर ओल्ड बिकॉज ऑफ बैलेंस गिर गए, या रोड क्रॉस करते वक्त, या फिर स्लिपरी फ्लोर जैसे मैम ने कहा, फियर है. तो बट वो यूजुअली हमेशा 60 प्लस हमने हमेशा सुना है या एक्सपीरियंस किया है, करेक्ट. सो सबके माइंड में ये क्वेश्चन आता है, वाई. तो मेरा मानना ये है कि एजिंग एज इज नॉट अ लिमिटेशन. एज डज नॉट स्टॉप अस फ्रॉम डूइंग एनीथिंग at all. But our body goes through certain natural processes due to aging. There are some effects which our body has due to aging. So the number one effect is slowness of movement. Everyone must have observed that कि आपके movements थोड़े slow हो जाते हैं, reaction time slow हो जाता है, आपका जो brain और body का connection है, that gets decreased. And your eyesight or hearing that gets a little declined, muscle strength gets affected a little, correct. Everyone has noticed that joints becomes a little stiffer. So the good thing is कि this all, ये सबका solution physiotherapy के पास है. That's the good thing. So like we at Paraj have treated so many senior citizens to train their muscle strength, coordination, balance, so that in turn we can prevent falls and injuries. So these all things can be tackled with physiotherapy. So now I would like to do one simple test for all of you for coordination. So everyone is ready? Okay,
Yes.
I will explain to you all what is the test. So everyone sit straight. Do not have anything in your hands. Clear everything. Keep your mobiles a little away, screen away. Perfect. Okay, perfect. Yes. Yeah. I'll just look at everyone. Everyone is sitting straight. Perfect. Yes. Okay. Good. Okay. So what you have to do now? I'll show it to you once. I'll explain it to you. You can see both my hands. Everyone? Yeah. So now what you have to do, one hand upper side will be facing and one hand's palmer side will be facing up. Okay? So now we have to switch. Okay? So now the other hand's upper side is facing and your left hand's palmer side is facing. Everyone understood? So you have to switch. I'm showing it to you all. You have to switch this. Okay? So now I'm giving you any doubts, anyone? So please tell me so that we can start the test. Okay, fine. I'm taking that as a yes. So now
No,
what do
no.
you have to do? I'm going to give you 1 minute. That's your target. I'm giving you 1 minute and you have to reach 60. You have to do this 60 times. Okay? So you have to do this 60 times in 1 minute. That is your target. When I say start, everyone has to start. So first place your both your hands like this, palm facing downwards. Both hands palm facing downwards. Perfect. Yeah, very good. I can see everyone's palm. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Now, 1, 2, 3, start. Keep switching. Yes. Keep switching. Yes. Keep switching. You have to reach 60. Try. Try. It's okay. I hope everyone is doing. Keep going. Mahesh sir, did you understand?
Sixty over.
Very good. Very good. Done. Relax. Very good. Very good. Everyone did it?
Yes.
So I would like to know what challenges did you face while doing this test? Anyone, any challenges faced? Anything?
Sometimes your
Concentration.
mind just switches off.
Concentration.
Concentration nahi hai. What I heard someone else saying something.
Yes. Your mind just switches off and then the message doesn't go to your fingers. So, and then
Yes,
you got to come back
yes, yeah,
again.
yeah, yes. Okay, good. Anyone else? Any challenge faced or did not reach 60, did
Times
not
we
complete the
switched.
target?
Sometimes we made a mistake and then we went back. And then we made a
Yeah.
mistake and went back.
Yes, yes. Good. Anyone else? तो अभी जब आप ये कर रहे थे, when you were doing this, I can see some of you all doing it a little slowly because you were trying to concentrate, you were trying to do this. So there are, yes, वो concentrate कर रहे थे. और कुछ कुछ लोग वो इतना ज्यादा फास्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे क्योंकि उनको वो टारगेट रीच करना था कि वो सही से नहीं कर पा रहे थे. वो करेक्टली वो पैटर्न फॉलो नहीं कर रहे थे. करेक्ट? ये चीज हो रही थी. सो यही सेम चीज हम जब रोड क्रॉस करते हैं वो एक सेम चीज हमारे साथ होती है कि इधर हम वो कर नहीं पाते क्योंकि हम स्लो हो जाते हैं, हमें डर लगता है, हमें वो कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है, और दूसरा ये हो जाता है कि हम वो इतना फास्ट करने की कोशिश करते हैं कि उससे हमारा बैलेंस चला जाता है एंड हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हम गिर जाएंगे, और कुछ कुछ लोग गिर जाते हैं, बैलेंस चला जाता है. सो दिस इज वाई कोऑर्डिनेशन एक्सरसाइजेज इज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आपके एक्सरसाइज रेजिमेंट में कोऑर्डिनेशन एक्सरसाइजेस होने चाहिए क्योंकि वो आपके ब्रेन और आपके बॉडी को एक्टिव रखता है. आपका थिंकिंग स्किल्स, आपका जो मेमोरी है, आपका जो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है वो बढ़ाता है, वो बेटर करता है, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बेटर करता है. आपका जो डेली एक्टिविटीज है जिसमें आप खाना बना रहे हैं, ड्रेसिंग करना हो गया, स्टेप्स ऊपर नीचे चढ़ना हो गया, वॉकिंग करना हो गया, रोड क्रॉसिंग करना हो गया, वो सबको वो इजियर करता है, उसको आसान बनाता है कोऑर्डिनेशन एक्सरसाइजेस. सो इसीलिए आपके लिए कोऑर्डिनेशन एक्सरसाइजेस आपके जो फॉल्स है उसको भी प्रिवेंट करता है. फॉल्स एंड इंजरीज इन टर्न होंगी नहीं अगर बैलेंस बेटर है, कॉन्फिडेंस बेटर है, तो आपको फियर कम होगा और ऑटोमेटिकली फॉल्स और इंजरीज प्रिवेंट हो जाएंगे. सो अभी आई होप सबको समझा होगा कोऑर्डिनेशन क्या है और उसका महत्व, उसका इंपॉर्टेंस क्या है.
Yes.
So now, perfect, great. So now let's begin with the exercises. Let's start with the exercises. Okay, everyone? So
Okay.
exercises के कुछ rules है. I'll just let you know कि क्या क्या करना है. Okay. And आपका कुछ भी आपके हाथ में नहीं होना चाहिए, आपका पूरा concentration मेरे पे होना चाहिए. So let's start with the first exercise. Okay? इसमें क्या करना है आप लोग को? आपको आपका एक हाथ आपके चेस्ट पे रखना है फिस्ट बना के. सो आपका राइट हाथ सब लोग आपके चेस्ट पे रखिए, बीच में फिस्ट बना के. यस. एंड लेफ्ट हाथ को आगे रखिए सीधा. straight. Yes. Understood? Right हाथ chest पे, right hand on the chest and left hand straight ahead. Left हाथ एकदम सीधा होना चाहिए सामने. सबको समझ रहा है? महेश सर, कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड? समझ रहे हैं? पुष्पा मैम, वेरी गुड. नूरेन मैम, आर यू ऑल डूइंग इट? शिरीन मैम, ऑल डूइंग इट? परफेक्ट.
Yes,
अभी आपको क्या
yes.
कर, यस, परफेक्ट. अब आपको क्या करना है? आपको स्विच करना है. मतलब अभी आपको आपका लेफ्ट हाथ चेस्ट पे रखना है और राइट हाथ को सामने रखना है. वेरी गुड. यस, यस. वापस स्विच करना है. अभी वापस आप आपके राइट हाथ को चेस्ट पे रखेंगे और लेफ्ट हाथ को सीधा रखेंगे. यस, वेरी गुड महेश सर, वेरी गुड. नूरेन मैम, रजिया मैम, वेरी गुड. ओके, अगेन लेफ्ट हाथ चेस्ट पे, राइट हाथ सामने. नाउ राइट हाथ चेस्ट पे, लेफ्ट हाथ सामने. वेरी गुड. अगेन लेफ्ट हाथ चेस्ट पे, राइट हाथ सामने. अभी करते रहिए अपोजिट डायरेक्शन. यस, अभी सबको पैटर्न समझ गया है? अपोजिट डायरेक्शन. कीप गोइंग. वेरी गुड. कीप गोइंग. गुड जॉब एवरीवन. गुड जॉब पुष्पा मैम. वेरी गुड जैन मैम. Keep going, keep going. Very good, Nila ma'am. Good. Yes. Keep switching. अभी आप पैटर्न से कॉन्फिडेंस है तो फास्ट कीजिए. गो लिटिल फास्टर. कम ऑन. एज फास्ट एज यू कैन. यस. डू नॉट स्ट्रेन योर सेल्फ. वेरी गुड. गुड जॉब एवरीवन. We'll do this for a minute more. Come on. Good. Good job. क्या बात है? Good. Very good. Nice job, Reem ma'am. Good. Very good, everyone. Good job, Noreen ma'am. Nice. Keep going, keep going. Good. Perfect. Nice. Good. Let's go to the second exercise. Everyone did quite well. Very good. Okay. So we'll go for the second exercise. Good job. Everyone can give a clap. Good. Good job. Nice. Very good. Now we'll do the second exercise. Okay. It's called as 1 and 4 exercise. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to make 1 with your left hand and 4 with your right hand. Yes. Okay. Everyone understood? 1 with your left hand, 4 with your right hand. Yes. Good job. Perfect. Now you're going to switch. Now you're going to make 1 with your right hand and 4 with your left hand. Yes. Now again, 1 with your left hand, 4 with your right hand. Good. Again, 1 with your right hand, 4 with your left hand. Yes. Again, keep switching. 1 with your left hand, 4 with your right hand. If any doubts, please let me know. Again, 1 with your right hand, 4 with your left hand. Good. Now keep switching, everyone. Everyone understood the pattern? Yes. Keep going. Good. Very good, everyone. Good. Try, keep trying. Concentrate, slowly कीजिए. पहले आप थोड़ा धीरे कीजिए, फिर फास्ट करेंगे. पहले आप स्लोली कीजिए. 1 कीजिए, एक हाथ और दूसरी उंगली 4 बनाइए. हाँ, चलिए. कीप स्विचिंग. धीरे धीरे. When you're confident of the pattern, फिर फास्ट कर सकते हैं. हाँ. महेश सर, पहले 1 बनाइए एक हाथ पे, दूसरे हाथ पे 4 बनाइए. 4 बनाइए. यस. अभी वापस राइट हैंड पे एक बनाइए. एक बनाइए और दूसरे हाथ पे 4 बनाइए. 4. हाँ, धीरे धीरे कीजिए. वापस इधर 4 बनाइए राइट हाथ पे. राइट हाथ पे 4. 4 4. हाँ, और लेफ्ट हाथ पे एक. यस. यस. तो ऐसे धीरे धीरे कीजिए, स्लोली कीजिए, धीरे धीरे कीजिए. हाँ, ट्राई कीजिए. चलिए. वेरी गुड एवरीवन. गुड जॉब. सब बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं. अभी सब लोग को भी समझ गया. गुड. गुड. Now let's go for the third exercise. Very good job, everyone. Good job. Good job. Amazing. So let's go for the third exercise. Yes. So now what do you have to do? You have to make a fist of your right hand. Right hand का fist बनाइए. Yes. And keep it on your lap. Keep it on your lap. And left हाथ को सीधा lap पे रखिए. Yes. Understood? Right hand fist and left hand palm on the lap. Okay? So now you have to tap your right hand on the lap. Tap your right hand. Everyone tapping their right hand? Okay. And now you have to rub your left hand. Now rub your left hand. Yes. Yes. So पहले फर्स्ट लेट्स डू इट अलग अलग डिफरेंटली करते हैं. पहले सिर्फ राइट को टैप कीजिए. राइट हैंड का फिस्ट टैप कीजिए. यस. टैप कीजिए. एंड नाउ सिर्फ लेफ्ट के पाम को रब कीजिए ऑन द लैप. रब योर लेफ्ट पाम.
Yes.
यस. गुड. यस. नाइस. नाउ ट्राई एंड डू इट टुगेदर. ट्राई. ट्राई एवरीवन. Tap and rub. Left hand, right hand is tapping, left hand is rubbing. Come on, try everyone. When you're confident of the pattern, you can do it faster. Come on. Keep going. I hope everyone is doing this correctly. Keep going. Keep going. Get your concentration back. Even if it's going, get your concentration back. Faster. Come on. Fast. Good. Keep going faster. Come on, everyone. Okay. Now we'll level up. Now we'll switch. So now what you have to
Okay.
do? Now you have to take your left hand as a fist. So you have to tap with your left hand and you have to rub with your right hand. Yes, so it will be a little challenging. Come on, because you're used to that movement. So tap with
हैबिट
your
वो हैबिट हो गई.
yes, exactly. इसलिए मैंने challenge उसको बढ़ाया. So अभी
हैबिट हो गई वो. ओके, वी विल
So now
ट्राई.
tap with your, yes, try everyone. Go slow at first. Go slow and understand the pattern. Tap with your left hand. Tap. Just, हाँ, हाँ. और राइट हैंड से अभी फिर सब लोग राइट हैंड से रब कीजिए. रब विथ योर राइट हैंड. रब. रब विथ योर राइट. रब. Now try and do this together. चलो. अभी साथ में कीजिए. Tap with your left hand, right hand से rub. Keep going. Good job. Okay. Let's start. Where were we? We were tapping from the left hand and rubbing from the right hand. Yes, everyone did that. Was it difficult? Then when you were doing it with the other hand? No? Nuran was saying no. It was easier for her. Good. For anyone?
दोनों रब
Was
हो
it
जा रहे
okay. Keep practicing. Keep practicing. I know.
हैं.
Good job. Okay. Let's go to the other exercise. Okay. So keep both your fists in front of your face. हाँ दोनों फिस्ट हाँ आपके आंखों के सामने. Yes. Good. अभी आपको राइट फिस्ट का थंब बाहर निकालना है. Thumb should be outside. Yes. And left in little finger. Left ka little finger. Yes. Everyone did it? Perfect. Yes. Good. Good job. Now, left ka thumb, right ka little finger. Come on. Left ka thumb. Yes. Right ka little finger. Good. Now again. Right ka thumb, left ka little finger. Good. Again, left thumb, right little finger. Yes. Again, switch. Left little finger, right thumb. Keep trying, keep trying. Switch. Yes. Understand the pattern. Go slowly. Go slowly. Yes. Go slowly. Good. Yes. Keep switching. Look at me if any doubts. Good job. Very, very good, everyone. Keep going, keep going. Yes. Concentrate, concentrate. Come on. Whoever has understood the pattern, go faster. Go faster. Fast जाइए. Good. Nice. Very good, Nila ma'am. Vanita ma'am, good job. Good job, everyone. Good. Very good. Good. Very good. Yeah, your concentration, you lose your concentration. Can you get it back? Get it back. Very good. Yes, keep trying, Jane ma'am. You're doing nice. Okay, everyone. We'll do the other exercise now. Come on. This is a little easier, giving you a little easy exercise so that everyone enjoys it. So now, same way, you did the fist. We did the fist one, right? So now we are doing palm on right palm on the chest, left front. Yes. Now left on the chest, right front. Come on, everyone should get it now. This one is easy. Yes, very good. Good. Very good. Everyone is getting this. Everyone is so fast. Good. Nice. Good job. Good job. Liking it. Come on. More 30 seconds for this exercise. Faster. Faster, everyone. Good. Everyone is doing amazing job with this exercise. Good. Very good, Razia ma'am. Good. Good job, Pushpa ma'am. Good job, Mahesh sir. Yona ma'am, very good. Good. Nice. Last 10 seconds. Okay. Relax, everyone. Relax. Take a 30-second relax. Okay, relax. Okay. So, last exercise. You have to keep your left hand thumb, and right hand four fingers. Okay? So, you have to keep it like this: left hand thumb, right hand four fingers, like this, horizontal. Sleeping. Yes. So, now, right, left hand, four fingers, right hand thumb. Thumb. Yes. Make a okay. Thumb. Now, switch. Right, left thumb, right four fingers. Keep switching. Very good. Good job. Good job, everyone. Keep doing these exercises. Very good. Good. Very good job, everyone. Keep going. Keep going. Four fingers, thumb. Yes. Keep it like this. Then you'll understand better. Yes. Good.
Doctor, next time again you can come. Really, we enjoyed these exercises. Please,
Thank
you
you
can
so
come.
much. Thank you
Thank
so
you
much,
very much.
ma'am. We'll
Thank you
definitely
very
take
much.
another
Thank you
session.
very much.
Yes.
So today we will be discussing about the brain and how does the functioning of your brain has an impact on your aging. So as we know that slowness of movement is the number one sign of aging. So like in a computer, if the CPU, the central processing unit, does not work properly, the output of the computer is slowed down. So similarly in a human body, the brain is the CPU. So the better your brain is working, the better your other organs, your musculoskeletal system, everything is working. And the slower your brain is, the slower your response of the body is. So that's why it's very important to train your brain and body connection. Hence, there are some psychomotor exercises to do the same. So today we will be learning 5 quick and easy psychomotor exercises. Let's do it together. Starting with the first exercise, make a fist with your right hand and start tapping your thigh. Now start rubbing your left thigh with your left hand and do both of them simultaneously. Keep doing. Once you have learned the pattern, start speeding up the movement and go as fast as you can while maintaining the coordination. Do this for roughly 2 to 3 minutes. In the second exercise, place both the palms in front of you. Now raise the thumb of one hand while you simultaneously raise the little finger of the other. Now reverse. So once you've understood the exercise, speed up the movement and try to go faster. Continue this for 2 to 3 minutes. In the third exercise, keep your right hand on the top of your head and tap. Now use your left hand to rub your tummy. So simultaneously tap your head and rub your tummy. Now in the fourth exercise, raise your one hand and point one finger up, index finger up. The other hand and point 4 fingers up. So this is an exercise called 1 and 4. Now reverse. Now once you've understood the exercise, speed up the movement. Continue this for up to 2 to 3 minutes. Now last exercise, raise the thumb of your left hand while all the fingers are closed, and right hand all the fingers are open but the thumb is inside. So remember this pattern and now switch. Slowly keep switching between the two. Go slow initially till you learn the exercise properly, And then once you've learnt it, try to speed it up. Continue this for 2 to 3 minutes.